Alright, what's up, y'all? We're gonna try to rebuild this torch head real quick. We'll see. See if this works. This is off that hypertherm 65. So, yeah, we're just gonna rip this whole thing apart. I'm putting on a new, I'm pretty sure this is like the cone, or the deflector. It's like the whole housing. It's this piece. Little part number for you guys. But it wasn't cutting at all good. So, yeah, you can put all that on there. Put the cart before the horse there. This is the deflector. I don't know what they call that one. But we're gonna figure it out. This little inner sleeve. Some got what they got, what they're called, and some don't. Call this just the inner sleeve. I don't know. I don't exactly know the technical term for it. But it only goes in one way. They dummy proofed it, which is good. You can use the off-brand electrodes, since these like consumables or electrodes always go bad all the time. They just don't quite last as long, but they do work. Or they were working. I just developed this problem today, so I'm gonna say all new parts. I tried blowing it out, the whole thing off. I took the shield. It wasn't very dirty. I was very disappointed. It's a little different. Fine cut, huh? That's weird. I guess we'll see if this works. I keep all the old pieces because you never know. It might still not work.